Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Mub Travels vlog. Today we are going to the wild. Me and my boy Nath, we are going camping for 2 days, and let's show you all the madness that we get up to. The car's loaded. I'm not loaded, exclamation mark tips. But let's get into this bitch. Well, we are officially on the way. We've got Nafsky in the back all the way there, and the surprise guest, Scooby, the dog. He's going to be joining us for this tour of the wilderness. It's about 3 hours to get there, so I'll update you as and when I can. Lads, look at this scenery. I tell you what, it don't get more picturesque than this. Right boys, well, we're here 3 hours later, and let me take it, we're just waiting to get the pitch set up and where we're going to be plotted, but I'll show you a little view. And you are nice. We should be good there. So, I already don't think that this is right, but I remember I need to connect all of them. Probably dump them first. I know you all absolutely love my voice. Did you not bring a cap? Yeah, cap. Right, that's one pole done. Hey. That's a hard part. Naff, do you want to take it from here? What, you just have to magically... No, which one's under which? No, this is on string, mate. Yeah. This is clamping, mate. This is clamping. Mate, I've got an air mattress a lot. Mate, I've got a fan. I'll tell you what though, I weren't going to take the fan, and then I thought I might be uncomfortable without it. 100%. Oh, I will need it, I'll put it on. Hey guys, you alright? Yeah, not bad, mate. Yeah. You alright? You'll probably take about 30 seconds to put it on yours, won't it? Yeah, I know it. No, there's two windows on this, but it might be that was the front. Yeah. So, I don't remember it being blue. Blue in the dark. What about there? That's about right. Yeah. Right, yeah. So, yeah. We've got to feed this through. I think we did corners first, like X to X. I can't remember. Were they? I think they might have been just all black ones. Because that. Grey's there, on the hook. See grey there? There. So there's one, yeah, going down there, and then one more, and here's that one grey. Yeah, there's a grey tab there. Yeah, but it goes under, not over. We made a mistake. First time of doing it over. And then we have to put pins in it. Yeah, it's got pins underneath. Yeah. Yeah, there. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake, right. I'm short of a corner, so let's do a corner which goes from all the way here, over there. Well, I don't know how much you guys saw of that, because for some reason, it's because the temperatures are so high, the camera disconnected. So, absolutely lovely jubbly. Hopefully, you guys saw us put together this masterpiece. I'm going to pin it down now, and then we'll be on to Nafsky's. Sweaty work this, lads. Sun's out, guns out. I've been expecting you. Welcome to my crib. So, we've got nice little chilled area here. Sandwich, iPad, little streaming light. Got the mattress, yeah, nice. And we've got the fan. You know, wherever I go, the fan comes with me. Nice comfy chair. What more can you want, boys? We're set up nicely here. Bare room. Now I'm going to have a sandwich, little cheese thing, cold fucking cans, Pepsi Max obviously.
Where I got my love of farming thing there from.
What, from there?
From here, this entire place. It's just...
Carry on, mate.
It's just lovely. I love the whole farm environment.
Yeah. It's nice to be outdoors, I think, especially when we spend so much of it indoors, being gamers, etc.
Yeah.
It is nice to come out and experience it, literally touch grass every now and again.
So I'm not even an outdoorsy person, but
yeah.
You get me up here and I'll spend all my time walking around. And
yeah. Bit of water,
yeah.
Couple of tunes sometimes,
yeah.
And you're nice. Well boys, we are currently walking to the fishing spot. I'm about to get sat on my arse in this and hopefully catch some beauties. So I'll see you when we get to the lake. Right boys, got our bait on, got everything set up. Look at the scenery boys, it's fucking beautiful, and we're about to cast out. So lads, I'm new to this, don't give me too much shit. There we are boys. Let's tighten that up a bit. And we are nice. Now we're looking for that bob in there. For now, we rest this bad boy here and we wait to see if anything, and we've got some bob there. Don't tell me we're straight in boys. And we are, Summit's having a go. Summit's definitely having a go boys. Bastard, it did. Look, it's taken my bait. Well, looks like it's going to be a good session of fishing then, if it's already taken it. Well, we've moved fishing spots, lads. Definitely a better area to fish here, but I just don't think there's anything about. Take a look at the view though, lads. Boys, I think this is something that you should see. I think we had a little discussion earlier about as gamers and as doing online stuff, we kind of set ourselves constantly inside. But I want you to take a second, have a little breather and just take a look at this. When all's said and done, man, sometimes when your mental health's a bit bad, your physical health's a bit bad, bringing yourself somewhere like this, and it doesn't have to be, you know, to the extremes of 3 hours away. You'll have some woodlands or some district near you that's a bit hilly and a bit grassy and a bit greeny. Take yourself out there, mate. You don't have to stay overnight. Take yourself for a couple of hours, man, and just ground yourself. You know, I'm not a crazy guy, not one of them weirdos, but you know, this stuff does help. It really does, man. It helps to ground you. And me and Naf was speaking about it earlier, about it shows you what's really about, what life's really about. You know, it's not about the rat race. I think we get caught up constantly with making more money, with having a better car, with having this, that and that. I'm guilty of it. I'm not perfect. And, you know, you come out here with a fucking tent or a bottle of water and a camping chair and some fishing stuff, and a few hours in, mate, and you already feel so much more relaxed. So take it in, boys. Take a minute. Enjoy the scenery. And I hope you're all enjoying the vlog so far. If you are, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. You know I don't do these often anymore. So keep up the views and we might do a few more. Well, boys, I regret to inform you I didn't catch anything apart from a fucking mega tan. And I actually caught Dragonite as well on Pokemon Go. Yeah, nice. Alright, so we are live. We are, or Naf is preparing the burgers. Then we are going to pop them on the barbecue. And when ice. Oh, I didn't get a lighter.
I've got a lighter.
Oh, brilliant. So the burgers are sorted. We've got the barbecue, the disposable thing on the go. We're streaming still. This is a life, boys. Burgers cooking. Sunset about. Look at them burgers, lads. Tell me we are not living. Brioche buns a lot. Appreciate Chef Nafsky for putting them together. And me on Barbie. Right, boys. Well, I've shut everything down for today. I've just got my little light. And it's time for me to sleep. So, I'll see you tomorrow, alright? Peace. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from me and the big Nafsky. We are here, up nice and early, showered ready. Slept a little bit rough, but it's alright. We're currently off to go see if we can source a couple of Pokemon cards to rip on stream. And while we're fishing, we're off fishing as well. And then I've got something really cool planned later on. So keep locked in and I'll see you there. Well, lads, don't let Naf ever tell you in the chat that he's not posh. The supermarket he's took us to, mate, it's 20 grand for a meal deal, so not quite as expensive as Fire, but yeah, Fire still definitely tops it. But
the rural Waitrose, alright?
Yeah, it is actually. This definitely is. Booths, it's called. You know what I mean, boys? Although I don't see fizzy drinks. I think they'll be probably over there. Also, we happened to stumble in a TJ Jones and we've got 4 packs of Pitch Black, the brand new Pokemon set that released today. So I'm going to open maybe 1, maybe 2 while I'm fishing, and then on a stream later I will open some more. Boys, I just wanted to show you the view from where we are going down on this hill to get to the lake that we're going to be fishing in. Actually look at that, mate. This is one of the most beautiful places I've ever visited in my entire life. Right boys, this is a setup for at least the next couple of hours. Fishing pole there, got a couple of packs here. I'm going to ask Nafsky nicely to hold the camera while I rip these and see what happens. What life couldn't be better, boys. We've got fishing, we've got the packs, we're nice. So this is the brand new set, Mega Evolution Pitch Black. Let's get straight into it. I only know about the dark grey in this, or the gold card, so let's have a look. Purple, love my purple, you're nice. Mandibles, Fromantis, Mankey, oh, looks like we might have something. Charcadet, Mancentric, Burnett, Tremendous Tool, Type Null, Popio, and a Misty's of Vitality. Oh my god, we've got a hit. Hypera, off the back. So they're like the reverse hollows in these are like bits. It's very hard to see on here, but yeah, I mean that's an absolute banger for the first pack. Misty is an Unreal Trainer as well, so we're nice. Can we get 2 for 2? That's the question. And can I put these back nicely? Because I do not have any top loaders or anything on me. Second pack, boys. We've got, don't look like we've got anything, but we've got Poplio, nice that, really nice. Antique Skull Fossil, Drillbur, Bombardier, Mancentric, Rust Syndicate Grunt, Toucanon, Drillbur, Inkay, and a Zarude. So yeah, these are some really nice looking cards. But yeah, there's the two packs. It's a bit too shallow. They have the bait. There's summits there. It's a bit too shallow, I think, for us. So we're going to need to go in if we want to catch something. So I'm going to pop some sweet corn on. Well, I haven't updated you for a little bit. Now, me and Nafsky were going to go to an infinity pool. However, me, Naf and the dog are all a little fucked. So we didn't kind of want to risk it. It's quite a slant to get up the hill and there's quite a lot of shit to get there. So instead, we've come wild swimming at one of the lakes here. Apparently the water's beautiful here. So we're just getting set up and then we're going to get in, have a little swim, see what's about there. Probably a decent fishing spot as well. And then hopefully later on we're going to get a fire going. I've got the Barbies on me and get some food cooking on the beach. It's going to be a very surreal experience. Well guys, we can't stream it, but we've got the Barbies on. Couple of disposable bastards. We've got some lamb chops, some steak. Naf's got some sausages. We're going to make a little fire pit as well. We've got the fucking incredible scenery. Now it's just time to chill with a boy. What more can you ask for, lads? Marinated lamb chops, one of the homies, and this view. And of course, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Fucking look at them marinated lamb chops. Pepsi Max, the view, steaks on the go as well. Just whipping myself up a little cheese sarnie. I just want to say I hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please make sure that you like and subscribe. I really do appreciate all of you for putting me in a position where I'm able to do cool, fun shit like this to entertain you. Alright? Well, that's me packed up pretty much. Sandwich made. Now we're attempting to make a homemade fire pit. We've got the marshmallows. We're laughing, boys. Right, so we're making a homemade home fire pit out of old barbecues. I'm just really trying to seal everything together.
When the doctor asks how he got a hemorrhoid,
Yeah.
you can just show him this video.
So this is a fucking hell, mate. Want some fucking marshmallows or not?
Stand all these corners up. I meant on the outside.
Oh, like this way.
Yeah, so if you have it, you know how we folded it?
This is the absolute best we're gonna get. Pop them there. Got the wood there. Some sticks there. We should be good, and the marshmallows. We're currently trying to spark it. I've got the community on some boogie setup, sorry. We are cooking, and we are a go. Whittled my stick. Got my marshmallow on top. It is a chocolate one, so that's going to drip. And I am toasting my first ever marshmallow. Got the homies here. Yeah, one nice. Big Mubski. Toasting a chocolate marshmallow. Who would have thought? Fucking hell, that's kind of spooky. I've seen too many of these. Fucking, well, I ain't seen them because I don't watch horror, but too much of these bollocks when there's fucking pitch black lads. But listen, that's me done. That is the vlog done. I'm going to go to sleep and I will be awake in the morning to drive 3 hours home. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure you give it a big old like, comment where you'd like me to go next, and I just might pull up. Take care everyone. Peace.